Whether you're in an online team game, streaming, live streaming a class, or on an important work call, voice lag can literally make it or break it, costing you both time and money. Stable, low-latency audio is the foundation of any winning strategy. HOSTKEY offers servers with Mumble pre-installed, a voice platform built for ultra-low latency and rock-solid connections, even on weak networks. Mumble is a simple, free voice chat app. It's open source, cross-platform, and built to give you clean, lag-free audio with full control over your data. No third-party servers, no logs or AI snooping, just chat. Get your own HOSTKEY server with Mumble pre-installed in just a few clicks. Your users can connect to it in seconds, and all calls and messages go through a secure channel on your personal server. A second of lag, whether in a game or in business, can be costly. Mumble solves that with ultra-low latency and the Opus codec, which adapts to your network in real time. Encryption is on by default. You can set up password or certificate-based access. Manage users, groups, and channels however you want. Mumble runs on Linux, Windows, and BSD, and users can connect from pretty much any device. And the best thing? The server is yours. No cloud middlemen, no third-party providers. Your data stays under your control on your own server. With HOSTKEY, you get a Mumble-ready server in about 15 minutes. You've got a choice of top data centers in Europe, the US, Turkey, and Iceland. And DDoS protection and 24/7 support are included by default. And you can pick whatever server you need to handle your workload. How it works? Easy. Go to the HOSTKEY website, pick the server and the place that's best for you. Click on Mumble during setup, and in 15 minutes, your server's ready. All that's left is to open Mumble and enjoy the freedom of lag-free voice chat. Mumble is also great for calls to friends and loved ones in countries where messengers or video chat platforms get blocked. If you need voice communication that's stable, secure, and fully under your control, Mumble from HOSTKEY is exactly what you need. Fast, stable, and completely yours.